guys. Oh, why? You want to go? He doesn't want to stay. Okay, go. It's okay. It's okay. I understand. You don't have to stay here with me. It's all good. Okay. But he wants to like be like right here, but he doesn't want to be up on me. That's cool. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys have not been in here before, this is my channel called Hidden Beauty by Tosh. It is still a fairly new channel. Just recently, the past few weeks, I've been uploading videos and stuff like that. So if you guys are here for the first time, welcome. I would really appreciate if you guys would hit the subscribe button, like this video, leave a comment, whatever you guys wanted to do. But I'm glad you're here. I'm glad you're watching this video with me during this very strange time that we have been in. This video today is honestly just a very relaxed kind of like vibe video I want to do. This channel is not only going to be about makeup or beauty or hair or skincare stuff. It's gonna be a lot of that stuff, of course, but this channel is gonna be a lot more than just that. You know, this channel is gonna be real. This channel is going to be a place where people can feel comfortable and where people can feel at home and feel this is kind of a place for them to get away, you know? And I know that during this time now, during quarantine, depending what state that you are living in currently, that they have very big regulations right now, you know, stay-at-home orders, which I think the stay-at-home orders are for almost every state in this country. Almost, not all states, but majority of the states are stay-at-home order. And if you guys are watching this video, comment down below what state you're from. Let me know what is going on in your state, what kind of regulations that they're having and stuff like that. I really want to know. I'm just very curious to see. I mean, you can watch the news, of course, but I just want to know person to person what's going on in your state, how you're dealing with it and stuff like that. I know it's a very difficult time for a lot of people. I personally, I live right in New Jersey. So we're in the epicenter of all this bullshit. Like, it's crazy. How many cases does New York have? New York has 83,000 cases. So New York almost has 100,000 cases. New Jersey has 29,000 cases, almost 30,000. Probably by tomorrow we'll have more than 35,000 cases. It's been a very hectic time for all of us around here. It's very unsafe, it's very unsteady, and I am currently not working. And I know a bunch of people are not working. I mean, 6 million people filed for unemployment the past month. You know, 3 million people filed for unemployment just this past week. So it's crazy. A lot of people are being left without jobs. A lot of people are being left without any social interaction. I mean, that can really take a toll on a lot of people mentally, spiritually, emotionally. I mean, motivationally. Like, it very, like, you know, it's a tough time for a lot of people, and it's crazy. You know, that's why I said I want to know what's going on with your state. You know, my state, it's a little hectic. It's crazy. You know, it's a lot of stuff's going on. So I want to know what's going on in your state. And, you know, as you guys can tell, this video, it's gonna just, I want to talk to you guys about how to stay motivated during this time, how to stay motivated, how to stay positive, how to just feel good, you know, kind of take it as a time that you have time to kind of reevaluate some things. You have time to maybe think some things through. And trust me, I know that there is so many people right now, they don't even have time to think. Money-wise, you know, people are struggling, you know, that people are really struggling. And it hurts me to see that this country and that this economy can't go ahead and see through to the people, and they can't try to help their people. Rather, they want to bring their people down during this time. And it's very sad, and it doesn't sit very easy with me, okay? And that's why I feel a lot of people just feel so alone And if you are feeling like this, please watch this video. I will try to give some steps to people, try to give some, goals for people to go through. So please continue watching this video. If you are feeling any type of sadness, if you're feeling any form of whatever, like not happy, unsatisfied, unmotivated, watch this video, and I'm going to give you guys some advice, kind of give you guys some goals in mind and what you guys can really do. And I'm going to be doing these videos a lot more during this time because I do not want people to feel like they're by themselves. Even if this video is going to be like a 20-minute video, you guys can watch this video for 20 minutes and feel good, and if I can do that, that feels good to me. So continue watching this video. And yeah, when you're feeling like this during this time, you just want to feel at home. You just want to feel that you have someone there for you, all that stuff. If you're sitting there and if you are by yourself currently, if you don't have anyone to talk to, if you don't have family, if you're just by yourself, that's the tricky part. That's where it's tough. If you don't have someone that you live with and you are by yourself during this quarantine, that's a very difficult time, because you can't leave, quite frankly. So what I like to do is I like to find new hobbies. So if you're living by yourself, things that you would do outside, bring them inside, okay? So try to find new hobbies to do while you are indoors. Read a book. I know that's so basic, but read a book. Whether that's through online, you have some books at home that you haven't really had a chance to open up because you've been so busy. This is a lot of downtime now. So open up a book, read that book. Whatever kind of book that may be. Maybe an inspirational book to kind of give you new ideas. Maybe an educational book, a cookbook, a drawing book, an art book, a religious book. I don't know. Whatever you guys are into, that's on you. Research things. Try to do yoga. Try to meditate. It's not so much of a spiritual thing if you don't want to look at it like that, but it's a mind thing. It just helps kind of ease your mind. So meditation, listen, it takes years to accomplish meditation, to learn it. It's not something you get in one shot, but try to meditate. Basic for beginners. Put on some music. You don't have to meditate and go through an instruction. Put on some music by yourself in a room, soothing tunes, whatever suits you. Put it on, close your eyes, light it down, maybe put a candle on, and just relax. Just relax, take it easy, So try something like that. Try yoga. Dude, if you have never tried yoga, try it, okay? It's not a bad thing. It's good, it's also very mindful. If you don't feel the willpower to actually exercise, yoga is a good replacement, Honestly, catch up on some movies, catch up on some Netflix, watch a show, get into a show. That is something that will take your time through so much, okay? Try to get a movie, watch some good shows, relax, soothe your mind, boil up some tea for you, put a coffee in, relax, just try to take it easy. You can go for a walk. All because this whole quarantine thing, they're saying that you're locked indoors. You can still go for a walk depending on your neighborhood. If you live in more of an urban neighborhood, like meaning more traffic, like a city area, that might be a little tricky for you to be able to leave your house because there's a lot of people, right? But if you live in more of like a suburban neighborhood, it's quiet, or an area to go to for a walk that's quiet, even if you live in like a city area, do it. You can leave your house to go to a little hidden park or go for a little walk where there's no one around. It's good to get fresh air. During this time, fresh air is critical. You need some form of fresh air, something like that. Even if you don't feel like going for a walk, you can go ahead and sit outside. There's nothing wrong with that either. So go for a walk, exercise a little bit, or just get some fresh air. It doesn't have to be exercise, but it could be you just getting some fresh air. That's super important for you to do. Can go ahead and clean up your room, change up your style in your room, change up your furniture, move some things around, It's always good sometimes when you're stuck in a place for so long, like in a certain area for so long, closed in, even when you're not, people like change, right? You know, it's always fun to kind of change around your furniture, but especially if you're closed indoors, it's good for your mind to kind of have a sense of change. Instead of your mind and your eyes constantly looking at the same thing over and over again, it's good to kind of switch that around so you don't go so crazy. Change up your room, clean it up, do different things, play your video games, play some video games, but don't overdo it. You know, you don't want to kind of be focused on one thing. For example, even with TV, don't be focused on watching one show and just that. Absolutely do it, but vary your day around. Like all these things I'm listing, like do some things differently, like a few different things in a day. You know, you don't have to focus on one thing throughout that entire day, but see, these are different ideas that you can get to kind of change up your day and have some different things that you can do. You see what I'm saying? Kind of make it a thing. Maybe every night before you go to bed or every night before you lounge, whatever, take a bubble bath. You know, it really calms down your muscles. It calms down your nerves, your shoulders. It just feels good and you smell good afterwards. So lastly that I want to say before I end this video and stuff is also you kind of want to try to find your hobby. That's like the main thing. Something that you really, really like to do, kind of like a side hustle. This is that time when you are not, like if you currently have a job and stuff, you're not working at that job. You have all the time in the world right now. This is that time where you really want to try to find a passion, a hustle, or something for you to do on the side, whether maybe that's selling clothes online, Poshmark, maybe eBay, Uber Eats, DoorDash, stuff that can make you extra money on the side, Instagram, YouTube, podcasts, stuff like that. People do it not just because for money, because you don't get anything in the beginning of this at all, ever. Nada, nothing, okay? But it's more of something to keep you busy, keep your mind right, you know? When you have free time like this, take it to your full advantage. If you're feeling sad, if you're feeling by yourself, please look at the stuff that I just like listed and whatnot. And I'm going to list it down below as well for you guys to like just, you know, read it out. If you maybe don't feel like watching this entire video, you know, that's totally fine. But definitely try those things out. And I'm going to absolutely put more videos out to kind of get more ideas and stuff like that for you guys and just have talks and just stuff like that, you know? Never want anyone to feel by themselves during a time like this. You guys can message me, inbox me, whatever you guys want to do. But if there's anyone out there feeling so by themselves, I'm open. I have a very, very open personality and I love people. Like, I love people. I love talking to people. I love helping people. It's always been something that I've been super passionate about. And I'm just a, you know, a people lover at the end of the day. And I just want to help everyone. It's always been like that. So, you know, if you guys feel by yourselves, you know, I'm always here. And, you know, this is kind of why I made my YouTube channel. In a way, if I can help someone, that is always something that I feel in my heart that I always, that's like my high, is helping others. So like I said, that's honestly why I made this channel. So if I can help one person or whatever, you know, knowing someone watched this video and they felt better, that makes my day. That's all I need, honestly. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope it was a little helpful. You know, it was a very chill out video. I don't have makeup on, nothing like that, just very relaxed. So I hope you guys enjoyed and I will absolutely see you guys back in my next video. And you guys can comment down below, message me, inbox me, but I will see you guys back in my next video. You guys have a great day.